So my buddy at work made me this super cool cup holder attachment thingamajigger for my Amazon cup holder. 3D printing a cup holder attachment for my shitty cup holder attachment thingy for a Jeep XJ from Amazon. This shit ain't deep enough. So we're making an adapter. We'll check it out tomorrow. He's done. Look at that. It's amazing. So my buddy at work made me this super cool cup holder attachment thingamajigger for my Amazon cup holder. For you Jeep owners out there, you know them cup holders really suck. You can't really hold anything in them. So yeah, this is 3D printed, a little attachment. Bolts on. He made some recesses in it, which is super cool. Oh crap. But yeah, it just bolts on, or screws on right here, but mine doesn't screw on. Anyway, we're gonna take this out and color match it so that it will all look legit. So I may have run out of spray paint to finish it completely, as you might have saw. But yeah, you can see them. Anyway, you guys get the gist. Looks a lot cooler. You can go climbing up some mountains and stuff without your cups flying out. It's pretty cool. I like it. Anyway. The weather's garbage. That's why I don't have anything cool to show you guys with the rabbits. But just wanted to show you this. I think it's really awesome. Then soon we'll be doing a lift kit on this lowered, well, looks lowered Jeep. And yeah, it's gonna be super dope.